Good morning all of you. We are learning how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. In the last video we have done how to represent under root 2 and under root 3 on the number line. So today we are going to learn how to represent under root 5 on the number line. So for this again you have to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, and here we have to get a line of length under root 5. So how it is possible? If we will take this length or either this length, either base or perpendicular. Suppose base is 2 and perpendicular is 1 centimeter or 1 unit, then what will be the hypotenuse? So apply the Pythagoras theorem. For this hypotenuse, what we need to do? Hypotenuse square is equal to square of the perpendicular, square of the base plus square of the perpendicular. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So for this hypotenuse, this square will go this side, it will become root. So this will come under root 5. So we are going to draw this under root 5 on the number line. Let's see how. Okay, for this we have taken the number line and this distance should be equal. Okay, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, like this. So we have to draw, we have to take 2 unit here in the base, and again we will draw perpendicular on here, means this point on 2. How to draw the perpendicular? You know, 90 degree. First make 90 degree here. Cut an arc. Another arc. Yes, this intersection point of this two arc and this point you have to join. This is the perpendicular 90 degree. Now we have to take 1 centimeter or 1 unit distance here on the perpendicular, as I have taken here on the right triangle. So 1 unit I have taken this much. Okay, so this distance only you can measure, and put your compass here and cut an arc. This point and this point you have to, sorry, not this point, this O, because this 2 is 2 unit, up to 0 to 2 unit distance, and this is 1 unit. So 0 to this point, this is B, this point is A. Okay, this line is under root 5 of, this is the length of the line is under root 5. Okay, now we have to draw this on the number line. So you can, this line is smaller, you can increase this line like this. Now we have to take this distance as a radius. Okay, and cut an arc on the number line like this, and this point where this arc is intersecting with this number line, this point is under root 5 on this number line. Okay, understood? So if you have to draw minus under root 5, then for this what we will have to do? Simple, we will take same distance and with the same radius we will draw an arc on the number line on this side. Okay, this will be the negative side because it is 0. Here will be minus 1, minus 2. You can write it. If in the question will be asked to draw minus under root 5, then you will draw this side. The same process. Okay. Now next is we have to draw how to draw three under root 2. 3 root 2. 3 root 2 means what? Under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2. Root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 will be equal to 3 root 2. Okay, with this concept, we are going to draw how to draw 3 root 2. Let's see here. Now for this, we will draw first of all a number line. And you know how to draw root under 2. In the last video, we have learned already that how to draw under root 2. So with the same process, we will draw first of all under root 2, and then I will explain you how to draw 3 root 2. Okay. So for root 2, we know in our right triangle, 1 unit this side and 1 unit this side we have to take. Okay. This will be equal to under root 2. So 1 unit distance, 0 to 1 is 1 unit. Okay. Here I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Triangle means just perpendicular, a right angle. Okay. So draw right angle with the same process as you are doing. So this is the right angle, or we can say it is a perpendicular. Now on this perpendicular we will take 1 unit and cut an arc. So 1 unit distance from here only we will take, as we have taken earlier the 1 unit, that one 1 unit. Okay. So this point is B, this point is A, and we are going to join O to B like this. Okay. So again, like this, same process as we are doing in under root 2, we will take this distance as a radius and draw an arc like this. Okay. So this arc is intersecting here on the number line. So this point is under root 2. This point means what distance? Here to here, 0 to this point is under root 2 distance. So if this distance is under root 2 and we have to draw 3 root 2. 3 root 2 means we will take under root 2 3 times. Same distance we will take 3 times and cut an arc. This distance is under root 2. Now again we will put our compass here and cut an arc. This is also under root 2. Again we will put our compass here and cut an arc here. This is also under root 2 distance. Under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2. This will be 3 root 2. Means this point will be 3 root 2. Yes, you can write its name. This point is A. This point where under root 2 lies, that is P. This point, suppose Q, and this point will be R. So you can write here OR is equal to 3 under root 2. Okay, before that you can write OP is equal to under root 2. And OQ will be equal to what? OQ. O to Q is 2 root 2, because root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. And O to R, this full distance is 3 root 2, because it is up to your OP plus PQ plus QR. Under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 will be equal to 3 root 2. I hope it is clear. Now in the next video we will learn some more irrational number, how to represent on the number line.